Like any other room in our home, our bathrooms can also be kept clean and organized if we have a place for everything. Toiletries, if not organized, can make the bathroom have a very cluttered look. Whether you have a big or a small bathroom, by choosing the right organizers, we can give the bathroom a warm and pleasant look. So, hey everyone, welcome back to Under One Roof. Today, I would just like to share my simple bathroom organization. This is an overview of my empty bathroom. And when we moved into this place around 3 years ago, we didn't do up much in this bathroom. The other two bathrooms, we changed everything from tiles to faucets. But in this bathroom, all we changed was just the bathroom counter, the sink. We added a full size mirror and a few floating shelves. And of course, we changed the commode. My biggest regret though is not getting rid of this bathtub cause it's difficult to clean and it has increased my weekly bathroom cleaning time. But anyways, let's just get on with the organization. So on the bathroom counter on the right side of the sink, I've placed this little woven basket. In the basket, I have put an artificial planter. Next to the planter, I have placed a glass jar with cotton pads, and just in front of the cotton pads, I have placed a hand wash dispenser. On the opposite side, I have placed this plastic basket. In this basket, I have placed an artificial planter, an essential oil diffuser, and a few essential oil bottles. So I brought these essential oil bottles from a brand called the Pink Knot. The fragrance is really calming and I love to light this diffuser when I finish cleaning the bathroom, and then I light it up and it gives such an amazing calming fragrance, just like feels like a spa. So this is a metal box with dividers. I have used this box to store my toiletries like face pack, face wash, makeup remover. My husband's toiletries like the shaving cream, foam, razors, etc. are stored in another bathroom. In this green box, I have stored extra stock of toiletries like conditioner, shampoo, baby oil, baby toothpaste, soaps, etc. I had this old plastic container and I didn't want to get rid of it because I love the floral pattern. So I'm using this to store my toothbrushes and toothpaste. Then I got this cleaning caddy, the same color as the other metal box, and this was a plain one. So with a metallic marker, I just wrote clean up so that it matches the other metal box. So in this caddy, I place all the cleaning products that I use daily to clean my bathroom, like this water and detergent mixture in a spray bottle, some Dettol surface cleaner, some glass cleaner. I also have Lysol for the floors and Harpic for the commode. I also keep a bottle with extra hand wash. So whenever I need to clean the other bathrooms, I just carry this caddy along.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would.
I've placed 3 small little planters on the windowsill.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to
In another green color basket, I have placed all the daily use toiletries like shampoo, conditioner, baby wash, baby shampoo just near the bathtub so it's easily accessible. And I've also placed a soap in a soap dish.
beside you, I would, when nothing really matters.
I have placed 2 command hooks under the sink, and on that I have placed a squeegee and hung the toilet cleaning brush.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would.
So that's how I've organized my little bathroom. I hope you've gained a little bit of ideas from how I've done up mine. And so that's it from me, guys. I'll see you next week. And do give this a thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't. Have a lovely weekend. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.